Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have your top picks and top skips of the week. Oh my gosh, you guys, I thought I was not going to be able to sit down and film this video. It has been one hell of a week and I will not sugarcoat it because it seriously has been. My allergies are still killing me, you guys. They're driving me nuts. I want to rip my nose off my face because one second I can breathe, the other second I can't. Right now I'm finally being able to breathe. My last video, I couldn't breathe. Go figure, right? But you're here to see my top picks and skips. I'm very excited for this video, you guys. I'm having so much fun with this series and it seems like you guys are enjoying it as well. But before we get into the video, if you're new to my channel, welcome to the family. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you do like it, and let's get on with the releases. Okay, you guys, so I have my trusty phone here. This week, no one tagged me on anything, so I'm just gonna go ahead and look through my Instagram and really check out what has been released. I am very excited about a few things, so we're gonna get right on to it. The first thing I do see is the new Anastacio Glow Kit. I know she mentioned on Twitter that everyone's sick and tired of it, but she loves it, and if you love something, you're gonna do it just like me. I love makeup tutorials. Nobody likes to watch them. I get under 100 views. I can care less because I love doing them. That's how she feels about these kits. This one is the iridescent glow one, and believe it or not, I am actually liking this one. I have realized that these type of kits look so good as inner corner highlights or eyeshadow toppers. And I know that seems ridiculous to buy a highlighter like this for it, but I did buy the Aurora one and I like it on my face as well. So I'm very picky with these type of highlighters and I'm digging this one. This one looks super pretty. It has like a pink, a gold, a green, looks like a taupey color, a purple. Very, very pretty. I'm very, very excited about this one. I'm curious to see how much it is. Hers tend to not be that expensive, and you can always get them at a discount somewhere. They always have them on sale, so I'm very happy and excited about this one. I have here Dose of Color's new eyeshadow collection. They were kind of playing with it last week. I didn't get a chance to see it before I filmed this video, but now I finally see it. These are 20 different shades. They are the Block Party eyeshadows. They come with 7.07 ounces to 0.09 ounces each. Yeah, these look pretty, but there's probably maybe like 1, 2, 3, 4, a good 6 colors in here that are beautiful. They look stunning. I'm not gonna lie to you, these look stunning. They look beautiful. They look like they are promising. It looks like you get a nice amount of product, but it is ridiculous to pay 20 bucks for one eyeshadow. Have I ever done it? I don't think, a pigment is different. I have spent it on a pigment, but a pigment I know will last me forever. Even a $5 pigment is gonna last you forever. Any pigment's gonna last you forever. But these I find to be way too expensive. I'm sorry, but I probably pay like no more than 15 bucks, if that, for these. And unless you're getting these at Ulta or being available at Ulta, you're not gonna get a discount on these. So, oh yeah, the cost is what's pushing me away from this one. I'm not, I never spoke about this. FNT Beauty is coming out with a Beach Please Summer 2018 collection. It involves freestyle duos, which could be used on the eyes, cheeks, and lips, which are those highlighter type of things. You're getting, what else you're getting? Summer Days Iridescent Lip Luminizer Trio. You are getting Island Bling, which is a liquid eye shimmer. So you're getting quite a few products in these. These actually look pretty. They actually look pretty. They're intriguing me. I'm more into the those. Now, I've never tried any of the highlighters, but these look pretty. I'm not gonna lie. Like, these are different. They're very, very different. That purple pink one looks interesting. The eyeshadow glue thing, what do you call these? What are these things called? The liquid eye shimmer. Those look very, very pretty. These are very pastel, but still colorful. And I don't own too many pastel type of things in my collection, so that's why I'm kind of liking this. This might be the first thing I might get from her. I'll see what I get. We'll look and see. We'll look at reviews before I even commit. This Huda Beauty came out with another eyeshadow palette. Is it me, or do I feel like all her eyeshadow palettes are looking very, very similar? This is the Rose Gold Remastered. Why? We already have this already. I feel like it's like the same thing. I haven't seen comparisons to the other two, but I feel like this is yet again the same thing. So I'm not getting it. If you don't own any of them, maybe this might be something for you. Her second one I hear is better than her first. This one I haven't heard anybody mention anything about it, but I'm skipping out on it. It just looks exactly the same. So Juvia's Place has come out with a new, will be coming out with a new collection. It's called the Afrique collection. I think it's called Afrique collection. It is, what is it? I don't know what these are. I don't know if it's eyeshadow. Oh, it's liquid lipsticks, and it looks like another eyeshadow palette or maybe a blush palette. I am dying to see this one. As you guys know, last week I mentioned their Warrior palette, which is beautiful. A lot of people are loving it. A lot of people are loving the fact that they came out with a more wearable palette, and I think that's great. I think that if you love or wanted to try them but thought they were too bold, that's the palette. So I'm curious to see what this one is, because what else? If this is colorful like the packaging is like, yeah, I'm going to be all over that one if it's good. So Tarte has come out with a collaboration with Aspen Novar. She did a collaboration with Pixie about a year or two ago with those highlighters, which I thought were really, really good. Now she has come out with a collaboration with Tarte, and it's called the Eye and Cheek Palette. $39. It's already available at Ulta. By the time you guys see this, it's already available. If you're into neutrals, more cooler tone eyeshadows, this is nice. This is a mature skin with a little bit of shimmer to it type of eyeshadow palette. It's not for me. I feel like this reminds me of the Too Faced Natural Eyes type of eyeshadow palette. If this is what she wears, obviously this is what she's going to collaborate and do, but it's just not for me. I won't buy it. If you're into neutrals, I think this might be something for you, because Tarte does have nice eyeshadow quality, but it ain't for me. I'm skipping out on that one. I never spoke about this one, and I meant to tell you guys about this last week. This is the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Collection, which includes a palette and 4 glosses. The glosses look very colorful. They look bright, which is very promising. So we have yet to see what's inside the palette. Maybe after this video goes up, the palette will already be revealed. I am very curious because the first one only had pops of color, so that's why I didn't get it. This one, if it has more colorful things to it, I might be interested in it, because I did hear her formula is really good. So I'm wanting to try it if it calls my name. This is another thing that just came out. This is the KL Polish Hand Cream. It's $12. It's almond scented. It's supposed to keep your hands, you know, supple and beautiful. She has her KL Polish nail polish, which I have yet to try, which one day I'll eventually do it. It's just I'm not a nail polish fanatic to go out and buy the latest and greatest. And it makes sense for her to come out with a hand cream, considering she has a nail polish collection. Would I purchase it from her? Probably not, because I could find something at the drugstore that has worked perfectly fine. $12 isn't bad, because the one that I currently use, I believe, is $8 or $10. So it's not bad. I'm not a fan of almond smell, so that's one thing that one reason why I won't get it. If you like Kathleen Lights and she's one of your favorites, then you could support her and get that. If you have very crusty hands and you trust her line as far as knowing what to expect out of a hand cream, then get it. For me, it's not something that I'm interested in, so I'm going to skip out on it. Dior just did a sneak peek of this new Backstage makeup collection contour palette, eyeshadow palettes. So let's see. Okay, Dior. It looks like they have 9-pan shadow palettes, and they have a highlighter, blush, bronzer type. They are coming out with a foundation in 40 shades. Thank you very much. These are going to be $40 each, apparently. They have lip products that are going to come out. I hear Dior's face products are beautiful. Do I own any Dior besides highlighters? I think I only own 2 highlighters. I don't know too much from Dior. They're not ones that come out with bold colors. They're more of your wearable colors, but their lip products I hear are really good, and I'm very happy that they're coming out with a big shade range. So that's kudos to you, Dior, for doing that. So Becca came out with a highlighter. It's the Royal Glow highlighter. It's only UK, new highlighter for UK. It's, I guess it's has to do with the whole royal wedding that's happening this weekend. It looks really, really pretty. It really does. It's available on Beautylish on the 18th. I think it's beautiful. Would I get it if I can get my hands on it in the US? Probably, because I love Becca highlighters. But it does look like everything else that I own, so I really shouldn't, even though I do love Becca's formula. They have really good formula. NARS has also come out with a collection. They seem to be milking this non-stop. This is the Narcissist Summer 2018 collection. This is the Orgasm collection. They have now extended the whole orgasm situation to an afterglow lip balm, a lip lacquer, a special edition orgasm blush, which they've done over and over and over, and an illuminating loose powder. They've come out with a lipstick, they've come out with a lip gloss. Like, how much more of this can they do? No, 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 no. I'm good. I'm good with just the blush and the liquid blush. And I think I got the mini sample of the lipstick. Other than that, I think I'm good. I'm good. There I go being stuffy again. Violet Voss sneak peeked something new. It looks like liquid eyeshadows. I don't know. They look very, very pretty though. One's like a purple, purple blue. Another one's like a pinky peach, a gold one, and then a bronze one. I'm curious to see if these are lip toppers or eyeshadows. I do love Violet Voss's eyeshadow formula. I pretty much own all their eyeshadow palettes because I am that in love with them. So I'm curious to see this one. Then we have another exclusive to Beautylish. So Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow came out with 3 new shades. We have Dollish, Embellish, and Stylish. I love the Embellish color. It's really, both of the Embellish and the Dollish, they're more like that peachy pink type of color. Very, very pretty. Beautiful. See, here we go. Light. It's a lilac bronze with multicolor pearls, Embellish, and then a sheer platinum with a golden pearl. Which is Stylish, and then Dollish is the one I like too, is a sparkling pink with a golden pearl. These are beautiful, beautiful. What drives me insane though is when they're constantly coming out with colors. Just do a what is it? A seasonal thing. Don't just keep dropping them over. Like they just came out with what, 4 new colors? 2 months ago, and now they're coming out with 3 more new colors. These are only exclusive to Beautylish. I don't know if these are permanent, if these are limited edition. It doesn't state. These are beautiful. I would consider getting the 2 pink ones. They are very pretty, but it just drives me nuts. Just do it per season, so that way I can save up money for it, because I can't keep doing this every 2 to 3 weeks. People, I can't do it. Beauty Blender. This is the last thing I'll share with you guys. Beauty Blender has come out with a new addition to their cleanser family. It's an Insta-Clean. It's a dry shampoo for your beauty blender and brushes. Is this wet? Is it like a wet? Clean your tools without water, no matter where you are or where you're going. Alcohol free, and the quick drying spray allows for immediate dryness. I think that's what it says. Wow. Yeah, this is very interesting. I have never purchased any of the Beauty Blender cleansers, liquid forms, solid forms, bar, none of that. This is very different and very unique. I would definitely want to see somebody do a review on this. I want to see it in action. I want to see it being used, because a dry shampoo for me leaves residue. So how is this not going to leave residue on your hair, like the bristles on your brush, especially if you have natural hair bristle brushes? Wouldn't it do the same thing as it does in your hair? And isn't dry shampoo supposed to like absorb oil? This one's going to be interesting. Somebody point me to somebody who did a review on this, because I'd love to see that review and that demo. I want to see that. So that is it, guys, for the top skips and picks. I will list all the products that I mentioned down in the description box, as I always have, as well as crediting anyone that I took pictures, or I should say not took, I should say shared the pictures for informational use. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys next week. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Thank you guys for supporting my channel as you always do. Hopefully next week I will not sound so nasally as I do right now. Please pray for me that this pollen is over. It's over, because I cannot stand it. I cannot stand it. I cannot stand it. So anyway, I will catch you guys in my next video. And don't forget that a smile is the best makeup a girl can wear. Bye, guys.